Hi, my name is Rebecca Morgan, and last week the question that we received was how do I learn? And the follow-up question I had is what makes someone a specific type of learner? A visual learner is someone who visualizes the world around them in 3D. So if they're reading a book about a description of someone in the snow in the dark, they will visualize themselves being that person, becoming that character. They also like learning from charts, like pie charts, and they like learning from graphs, like bar graphs. They like writing things down. So if you have a chalkboard, a whiteboard, or a smartboard, and you're writing things down and you see someone taking notes, it's because that's how they choose to learn. An auditory learner is someone who likes listening and learns from listening. This person will like lectures, and lectures can be defined as someone teaching about a specific topic with no visual aids. And speeches by guest speakers who are just, again, teaching auditory through their mouths. And audiobooks. Now, audiobooks are different than the visual learner because this person likes to listen to the book and really embrace the story that way and understand the tone of the words that are being said. A kinesthetic learner learns by doing. And by this I mean someone who likes things that are hands-on. And they like projects. Projects like making a solar system out of styrofoam snowballs. They will like the painting part, they will like putting it together. They'll like that it's hands-on and that they get to do it themselves. They also like experiments, like putting two compounds together. They like combining things. They like anything that's hands-on. Now, I have found that I am a visual learner. And I discovered this because I like writing things down. And when I read a book, I visualize what's happening in my mind. So I am more of a visual learner than anything else. And this is my works cited. I got these ideas from a picture that I found online. So yeah.